How to make YouTube thumbnail on Canva. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can make YouTube thumbnail on Canva. For that, you'll have to open your Canva application on your mobile device, and once on the home page, click on the search bar, type YouTube thumbnail and hit enter. This will bring up a variety of thumbnail templates you can choose from. Once you have found the thumbnail template you like, click on it. Make sure to choose the one that is free. This will open up a menu below the template with options to customize it. You can edit the text, change the image and adjust the colors as you like. After you have customized the thumbnail to your satisfaction, click on the download button at the top of the screen to download it to your device. And that's it, you have now a custom YouTube thumbnail ready to use. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.